And here we are with Monero XMR. So here, last night some of you were getting excited, it seemed like, because it was spiking up to as high as maybe, I guess, 120. That's very understandable. FOMO is extremely difficult to resist. I want to kind of point out a few things. With regards to fractals, if you look at this fake out of a head and shoulders bottom, after the neckline was breached, there was a spike and fell right back under. And then I had pointed out another head and shoulders bottom, left, left head and the right head, shoulder. Look what happened. Consider this as a fractal and this as another fractal. How it spiked up, came back down, head and shoulders, just like here, spiked up and faked everybody out. Having said that, it's pretty amazing where exactly this XMR stopped at, was turned and reversed. If you look at a trend line, like so, and then I'm going to draw trend line here before the breakout, if you will, breakdown rather. And here's the apex for this, and it just collapsed through this support bottom line. To make it look a little cleaner, I'm seeing what you would call, or what I would call, a double top here. Okay, it's a little messy looking, but similar to Bitcoin, it may have ended in a head and shoulders. Not exact mirror image, I know. And if that's the case, A, B, C is the count right here. And this spike, I believe, put in the B wave of the ABC correction. Very similar to, okay, and C somewhere in the 50s is the projection that I'm going to give for now. Subject to change. Why is it subject to change? Because I don't have a crystal ball. No one does. Now here also, take a look at this. Okay. For me, when I do my Fibonacci's, I just kind of eyeball it. I've done so many of the calculations and proportions, I kind of eyeball it. I'm usually pretty close to it because I don't have the time to do every calculation in Fibonacci ratios. So let's calculate the minimum on this. Okay. So I get the minimum line. I don't even usually calculate it. I just draw the line from the peak of the head to the neckline, and I copy that and bring it from here. That's not an accident. Okay, we're at the point it takes the breakthrough to the neck. So the minimum target shows it should be approximately 50 as well, somewhere in the 50s. This head and shoulders patterns are often known to exceed the minimum by 25, 30, 40, 50% even. And if that's the case, it's something that we need to keep an eye out for. Okay, so this is a quick update for Monero XMR. I wish you all massive profits. Stay safe on the sidelines, because that wave 4 bottom is coming. Exactly when, I have no idea, but I'll be watching out for it and letting everybody know once I start casting my buy ladders. Have a good day.